Next up is Family Heirloom for Turncoat. In this, we need to locate valuables and report back to him. Essentially, you'll be heading all the way across to the southwest side of the map here by Fort Marith, zooming in all the way on the extreme north side, all the way up here, you'll find this little village, Nakasa Village. All the way on the northern side over here, you'll find this building, and this is where we need to head. When you get here, you'll find a table just outside the back of it. Over here, I'll show you how to get in just a moment, and usually there's a key that spawns here that allows you access to this building. I got free access anyways, the door was open. I'm not too sure if someone else opened it for me, but anyways, I got my way in here. This can be the Turncoat house key that you find over here. Anyways, coming upstairs here to the very top floor, you'll see up the stairs, straight to the right is this little door over here. Heading in, just under the table, you'll find the briefcase that you need to pick up right over here. That's it. You can pick up Turncoat's valuables and take them back to him. That's it. It's super simple. It's just very out of the way. You'll need to travel, I don't know, probably just less than a kilometer to this village and fight your way through a few people. There's very sparse, relatively easy AI in this area. Anyways, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.